Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to export KiCad PCB to JLCPCB. Alright, so the first step is we need to be here in KiCad program. And yeah, obviously you need to open up your project. So KiCad PCB. And now what we are going to do is head over here to the top toolbar and under the inspect, you will select design rule check. So click on that. Now what you're going to press is run DRC. This will fix any electrical or clearance errors before exporting. Alright, now the second step is we are going here to the file. Then we need to find fabrication outputs and click on Gerbers right here, the first one, just like that. Alright, now we need to set up output directory to a dedicated folder. So right here, output directory. So here we will select where we want it. So okay, select folder. Now in the layers list on the left, make sure the following core layers are checked. So f.cu and bcu. Then we have paste, f, b paste. Then we have silk screen for F and B, and mask for both of them, front and back, solder mask openings and edge cuts. Then under the options here, we need to have a plot reference design designators. So this means that your components label sprint, then use Protel file name extension. So checked, we need to have it checked. And yeah, coordinate format also. And just with that, we will hit plot, just like so. In that same Gerber window, click the generate drill files, just like that. In the drill window, match these settings precisely for JLC PCB machines. So drill units will needs to be in millimeters. Then we have 0 format is decimal format, and drill map file format is in Gerber X2. And yeah, I think that's all. Now what we need to do is just click on generate drill file, like so, and click close on both windows. So as you can see right here, if we check now, you see here drill files right over here. Now what we need to do with that, we just need to compress this into the zip file, just like so. All right. And the second thing is we will head over now into the JLC PCB website like that. And how we do that now, get instant quote right here on the official website, and then add Gerber files. So we can try it like so, that I just put it right here. It will take only a few seconds to upload your files, just like that. And yeah, this is pretty much everything you need to know how to export KiCad PCB to your JLC PCB. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.